Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use this Hag Circle cosmetic to do a secret ritual and grow a garden game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the Hag Circle looks like. And before I show you how we can use this cosmetic, I'm going to show you how you can get this Hag Circle. So this is one of the cosmetic from the Halloween market. If you want to get this cosmetic, you can go to the Halloween market, which appear every hour, and you can go to the cosmetic shop. Okay, I'm going to talk to the NPC and I'm going to scroll down and we'll find this Hag Circle. Okay, and you can place this Hag Circle on your plot and put on your fruits or your plant on the Hex Circle, and you will need a pet called Hag Serpent to do secret ritual. Okay, you can get the Hag Serpent from this event, grave digging event, and you only have 2% possibility to get this Hag Serpent. Okay, you can join the grave digging and you will have chance to get this Hag Serpent, and you'll be able to do the secret ritual using Hex Circle. Yeah, but it's pretty hard to get it guys. And okay guys, that's how we can use the Hex Circle cosmetic and grow a garden update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.